This is going to blow your mind. Welcome to Money Tech Masters. Why are there not more people talking about the revolutionary potential of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology? Imagine a world where you could send money to anyone, anywhere in the world, instantly and without needing a bank. No more waiting for days for transactions to clear, no more hefty fees, and no more middlemen. This is not a distant dream, but a reality that's unfolding right before our eyes. This is the promise of cryptocurrency, a new era of financial freedom and efficiency where transactions are seamless and borderless. This new form of digital money is powered by blockchain technology. Blockchain is the backbone of cryptocurrency, ensuring every transaction is secure and verifiable. It's like a digital ledger that's secure, transparent, and accessible to everyone. Every transaction is recorded in a way that cannot be altered, providing a level of trust and security that traditional systems can't match. This new technology is changing how we think about money and finance. It's not just about digital currency, it's about creating a more inclusive financial system. It also has the potential to revolutionize many other industries. From real estate to voting systems, the applications are vast and varied. From supply chains to healthcare, blockchain and cryptocurrency are poised to shape the future. Imagine a world where supply chains are transparent and healthcare records are secure and easily accessible. This essay will explore the exciting world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. We'll delve into how these technologies work and their potential to transform our world. We'll break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand language. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a curious beginner, you'll find valuable insights here. We'll also look at the potential impact these technologies will have on our lives. From everyday transactions to long-term investments, the possibilities are endless. Join us as we demystify cryptocurrency and blockchain. We'll separate the hype from the reality and give you a clear understanding of what these technologies can and cannot do. We'll explore the opportunities and challenges they present. While the potential is enormous, there are also significant hurdles to overcome, including regulatory issues and technological barriers. The future of finance is here, and it's decentralized, transparent, and powered by you. In this new world, you have more control over your financial destiny than ever before. Welcome to the future. To understand cryptocurrency, we need to understand money. Traditionally, we've used physical money like coins and banknotes. Later, we developed electronic forms of money like bank deposits. Cryptocurrency takes this evolution a step further. Cryptocurrencies are digital. They exist purely as data on a computer network. This makes them easy to transfer and use for online transactions. Think of cryptocurrency like email for money. You can send and receive it instantly. It doesn't matter where you are or what time it is. Cryptocurrency is also global. It's not tied to any specific country or central bank. This makes it a truly international currency. Blockchain is the technology behind cryptocurrency. It's a digital ledger that records all transactions. But it's not just any ledger. Blockchain is special because it's distributed. Imagine a book of records that's shared across thousands of computers worldwide. This shared record book is the blockchain. Every time a transaction happens, it's recorded in a block. Each block is linked to the previous block, forming a chain. That's why it's called a blockchain. This chain of blocks makes the record very secure. It's nearly impossible to tamper with the information. Blockchain technology is built on trust. It's a revolutionary system that has transformed the way we think about digital transactions and data security. But how can you trust a system that's distributed across the internet? This question is at the heart of understanding blockchain's potential. The answer lies in two fundamental principles: cryptography and consensus. These are the pillars that uphold the integrity and security of blockchain technology. Cryptography uses complex mathematical algorithms to secure transactions. These algorithms are designed to be incredibly difficult to break, ensuring that data remains confidential and tamper-proof. It ensures that only the rightful owner can access and spend their cryptocurrency. This is achieved through the use of private keys, which act as a digital signature. Think of it like a super secure digital lock that only you have the key to. Without the correct key, no one can access your digital assets. Consensus means that everyone on the network agrees on the validity of transactions. This collective agreement is what makes blockchain so reliable and trustworthy. This is achieved through a process called mining. Mining is not just about creating new coins, it's about maintaining the integrity of the blockchain. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. These problems are designed to be difficult to solve but easy to verify, ensuring that the network remains secure. The first miner to solve the problem adds the next block to the chain. This block contains a record of recent transactions, which is then verified by the network. This process ensures that everyone is on the same page and prevents fraud. By requiring consensus, blockchain makes it nearly impossible for any single entity to alter the records, thus maintaining a transparent and secure system. As we move towards a more digital future, the principles of blockchain, trust, cryptography, and consensus will become increasingly important. They offer a way to secure our digital lives in an ever-connected world. Section 5. Bitcoin, the Trailblazer. The first and most famous cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. It was created in 2008 by a mysterious person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin was designed to be a decentralized digital currency. This means it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. Bitcoin transactions are recorded on the Bitcoin blockchain. This public ledger can be viewed by anyone. This transparency helps to build trust and prevent fraud. Section 6. Beyond Bitcoin, a world of cryptos. Since the creation of Bitcoin, thousands of other cryptocurrencies have emerged. These are known as altcoins or alternative coins. Each altcoin has its own unique features and purpose. Some popular altcoins include Ethereum, a platform for creating decentralized applications, Litecoin, a faster and more scalable version of Bitcoin, and Ripple, a cryptocurrency designed for fast and cheap international payments. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving. New cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects are emerging all the time. Section 7. Smart contracts, automating trust. One of the most exciting aspects of blockchain technology is the ability to create smart contracts. These digital agreements are coded to execute automatically when certain conditions are met, making them incredibly efficient and reliable. These are self-executing contracts that are stored and enforced on the blockchain. Once the predefined conditions are met, the contract executes itself without the need for human intervention. Think of a smart contract like a vending machine. You don't need a shopkeeper to hand you the product. The machine does it all by itself. You insert your money, which in this case is cryptocurrency, and the machine automatically dispenses the product, whether it's a digital asset or service. This analogy helps to understand how smart contracts work in a straightforward manner. Smart contracts can automate complex transactions. They can handle multiple steps and conditions, ensuring that all parties fulfill their obligations before the contract is executed. They can eliminate the need for intermediaries like lawyers and banks. By cutting out the middlemen, smart contracts reduce the risk of human error and fraud. This can save time and money. The automation of processes means transactions can be completed faster and with lower costs, benefiting both parties involved. For example, a smart contract could be used to automate the sale of a house. The contract could include terms such as the sale price, the date of transfer, and any conditions that need to be met before the sale is finalized. The buyer and seller could agree on the terms of the sale, and the smart contract would handle the transfer of ownership and payment automatically. This ensures that both parties are protected and that the transaction is completed smoothly and efficiently. Beyond real estate, smart contracts have applications in various industries. In healthcare, they can manage patient records and insurance claims. In supply chain, they can track goods and ensure timely delivery. In finance, they can automate loans and investment agreements. As technology evolves, the potential for smart contracts continues to grow. They represent a significant step towards a more automated and trustworthy digital world, where transactions are secure, transparent, and efficient. Section 8. Decentralization, power to the people. One of the key benefits of blockchain and cryptocurrency is decentralization. Traditional financial systems are centralized, meaning they are controlled by a small number of powerful institutions. Decentralization gives power back to the people. It creates a more democratic and equitable financial system. With blockchain, there's no single point of failure, which makes it more resistant to censorship and fraud. Decentralization also promotes financial inclusion. Billions of people around the world don't have access to traditional banking services. Cryptocurrency and blockchain can provide them with a secure and affordable way to manage their money. Section 9. Cryptocurrency and you investing wisely. Cryptocurrency has become increasingly popular as an investment. The value of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies has skyrocketed in recent years. However, it's important to remember that cryptocurrency is a volatile investment. Before investing in cryptocurrency, it's essential to do your research. Understand the risks involved and never invest more than you can afford to lose. It's also important to choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. Be wary of scams and fraudulent schemes. Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize many industries beyond finance. In supply chain management, it can track products as they move through the supply chain, improving transparency and reducing fraud. In healthcare, it securely stores and shares medical records, giving patients more control over their data. In voting, it creates secure and transparent systems that are resistant to tampering. In education, it issues digital diplomas and certificates that can be verified instantly. These are just a few examples of the many potential applications of blockchain technology. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative uses emerge. While blockchain and cryptocurrency offer tremendous potential, they also face challenges. Scalability is a major issue, as blockchain networks can be slow and expensive to use, especially during peak times. Regulation is another hurdle, as governments around the world are still grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrency. Additionally, there's a lack of understanding of blockchain and cryptocurrency among the general public. Despite these challenges, the future of blockchain and cryptocurrency is bright. Developers are working hard to address the scalability issue. Governments are beginning to develop regulatory frameworks for cryptocurrency, and more people are becoming educated about the benefits of these technologies. Blockchain and cryptocurrency are transforming the financial landscape. They are creating a more efficient, transparent, and accessible financial system. In the future, we can expect to see increased adoption of cryptocurrency for payments and investments, the emergence of new blockchain-based financial products and services, greater financial inclusion for the unbanked and underbanked. The future of finance is decentralized, digital, and powered by blockchain. Cryptocurrency and blockchain are revolutionary technologies. They have the potential to change the world as we know it. By understanding these technologies, we can position ourselves to benefit from the opportunities they present. The future is here, and it's decentralized, transparent, and powered by you. Embrace the revolution. Thank you for watching. For more content, please subscribe, like, and share.